Using auxiliary verbs. How to use some of the auxiliary verbs? Am, do, have, has, does, and had. Now you see, I takes the auxiliary verbs. Am, I am, I do, I have. You are, you do, you have. We are, we do, we have. He is, he does, he has. She is, she does, she has. It is, it does, it has. They are, they do, they have. For example, I am playing. I do the work. I have a book. You are playing. You do the work. You have a book. We are playing. We do the work. We have a plan. He is playing. He does the work. He has an idea. She is playing. She does the work. She has an amazing family. It is playing. It does it itself. It has a wing. They are eating. They do not do it. They have a great day. They do not do it negative. They do it is positive. And now, after auxiliary verb, we can use V3. I have seen. You have seen. We have seen. But he has seen. She has seen. It has seen. They have seen. I had. You had. We had. He had. She had. It had. They had. These are the auxiliary verbs. Some of them they are given here. Thank you for watching.